No waste, no hassle, no one has to sort them out in the recycling center. And that's exactly why I created Fear in the Fox Farms. You ever find yourself cleaning up your kids' playroom surrounded by toys they barely even touch anymore? Oh, that was me just last week. We had so many toys. Plastic Hot Wheels, tracks, vehicles, dolls, even baby blocks. And most of them hadn't been played with in months, even years. So my daughter and I started packing everything up into plastic bags, trying to clear some space. And my husband had to take all those bags to the Wertstoffhof. That's a recycling center here in Germany. I wasn't there, but he told me he had to take everything out of the bags and sort it all in front of the stuff to make sure it went in the right bin. I felt so bad for him. And it got me thinking, why didn't we just buy video games instead? No waste, no hassle. Plus, they are way cheaper, and the best part, no one has to sort them out in the recycling center. There's no clutter, no waste, and the kids actually keep playing it for months, sometimes even years. And that's exactly why I created Fear in the Fox Farms. It's a game that not only entertains, but also teaches. So you're getting more than just fun. And trust me, the kids love it. In Fear in the Fox Farms, your kids get to explore these awesome farm environments, picking crops, running around, throwing pumpkins at each other. It sounds crazy, but trust me, it's tons of fun. But it's not just about running around and pumpkin fights. As your kids explore the farm, they'll be learning all kinds of cool facts about farming, animals, gardening. And when they answer trivia questions right, they get power-ups to help them in the game. So they are learning and having fun at the same time. And the best part, it's totally family friendly. During the day they are learning and exploring, but when the night hits, things get a little spooky. The farm workers turn into ghosts and your kids have to dodge them while still battling their friends. It's a good mix of fun and a bit of a challenge, but nothing too scary. Just enough to keep them on their toes. Honestly, the game is perfect whether your kids play on their own or with you. It's not the kind of game where you just leave them to it. You can jump in, answer trivia together, team up, or even compete against them. But the great thing is, they'll have great time either way. Plus, since there's no storyline, the game is super flexible. You can play it for a short session or dive in for hours, making it fun and replayable every time. So, if you're looking for a game that your kids will love and you'll feel good about them playing, give Fear in the Facts Farms a try. You can grab the demo today and see for yourself. Trust me, it's the perfect mix of fun, education, and just a little bit of spooky. Thanks for sticking around and hearing my story. If Fear in the Fox Farms sounds like something your kids would love, or maybe even you, give the demo a try and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. And hey, if you're curious about more updates or just want to follow along, don't forget to hit subscribe. Can't wait to see you in the game!
China is the largest producer of bell peppers in the world. Which country is the largest producer of bell peppers? Press 1, 2, 3, or 4 to answer. 1. Correct.
The heat level of peppers is measured in Scoville heat units, SHU, with some varieties like the Carolina Reaper reaching over 2 million SHU. What is used to measure the heat level of peppers? Press 1, 2, 3 or 4 to answer. 1. Scoville heat... Correct!
Pigs are known for their vocal communication, having more than 20 different sounds. How do pigs communicate? Press 1, 2, 3, or 4 to answer. 1. With body language only. 2. With more than correct.
Potato plants were first domesticated in the Andean region of South America around 8,000 to 10,000 years ago. Where were potato plants first domesticated? Press 1, 2, 3 or 4 to answer. 1. Are you feeling... Tomato seeds can be started indoors several weeks before the last frost to give plants a head start in the growing season. How can tomato seeds be started early? Press 1, 2, 3 or 4 to answer.
China is the largest producer of...